Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to open the Emoji keyboard where you type, so start there. If your keyboard has a search box, type pregnant, man, or person to narrow results. This finds the combined emoji faster. If you don't see it, make sure your device and app are updated because emoji variants arrive with OS updates. Once done, switch to the emoji search rather than scrolling manually. It saves time and surfaces gendered or role-based variants that might be hidden in categories. Now you'll refine the search by trying multiple keywords and variant forms because the pregnant man emoji may be encoded as a sequence or alternate glyph. Type pregnant plus man or try person. Different apps map the same code to different visuals. If you have skin tone options, check those menus too, since modifiers can alter the result. Once you find a match, paste it into several apps to confirm visual consistency and to understand whether your platform. Finish by confirming the emoji renders for recipients. Send it to another device or view it in a web app. If it appears as an empty box or question mark, update the operating system and the app because that often resolves unsupported glyphs. If updates aren't possible, use an image or GIF fallback to convey the same idea. One troubleshooting tip: clear keyboard cache or reinstall the keyboard app if search results stay outdated after updates. Then repeat the keyword search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.